can almost remember those times. Heard those words as they came out the door. Faith is something you'll find. I believe you believe what beliefs are. Green like rivers do with rain. God is the first at the table, cursed by those who to blame. Whoa, if only we were one. If only we were one. If only we were one, we'd find us some, find us some, find us. Now, I love jam bands, which means that song could go on forever. What'd you think of that one? That one's called If Only We Were One. And hey, Michael D, that's right. Michael songs. I thought I remembered where you're from. There you go. Les Paul Sunburst. How you doing there? Oh, buddy. Just hanging out here today. I'm in between students. I think I had a student call off because they're not here right now. And then I'm just going through the motions of learning some new songs, putting up some videos here, and then I'm not gonna lie, I am shamelessly trying to promote myself so I could get some more subs and get some watch time hours. So shout out to anybody who is actually a musician that's not here just for the stars and stripes and the white guy with the beard. Check out the channel if you're looking to understand a little bit more about tertiary harmony, how to build chords, how to see scales, how to play different ideas, and then how to get out of your head and start not taking yourself too seriously and having fun with just chord progressions. Best way to do that is to practice for 5 minutes doing a concept every day, and then after a month you will definitely notice the difference. Whether it's pentatonics, I know that you know pentatonics, but maybe it's the idea of doing wrong kind of concepts like we build mechanisms by remembering notes. So why not play in 3 different quadrants on your fretboard or fingerboard, depending of your instrument. 1 through 4, 5 through 9, and then, or 5 through 8, and then 9 through 12. That gives us 3 distinct places where you can do almost the same stuff. And then you just move and shift along where you are, depending on how far up and down you are on the fretboard. The whole idea is I try to demystify what music is, make it a little bit more approachable for those of us who just, it takes a million tries. For me, music took a million tries, but guess what? Here I am. Oh, Cannibal. I'm not a big fan of the Jack Johnson. However, you know, to each of their own, and you know that the songs that they all sound the same with the same old chords anyway. Sorry. I should be modest. Jack Johnson, to me, I really like the monkey song from the Curious George thing, but almost every song of his kind of sounds the same. Plus, I had a person that I dated back when, that's all their social group listened to, Jack Johnson. The Jack Johnsons. Let's see, although, he did some music with Paula Fugo, and if you haven't heard of Paula Fugo, stop watching me and go watch Paula Fugo. AJ Goat, do you need help or are you telling help? Or telling me to get help? That also is a good one. Or the song by the Beatles, Help, I Need Somebody, Almost Anybody. Can anybody tell me what key that's in? If you can tell me what key it's in, I'll play it. So you know what? I do watch other live channels. I don't know if this channel is a lot like other live channels. Also, I can't figure out how to keep this. Can anybody in the section here tell me how to keep this chat box that I keep having to touch open?